some reason when late in the evening this car looks better on camera. I mean, that black, it really pops, man. So I always like filming this joint when the sun's going down. Indeed, it's clean. People always talking trash about this car, man, but I love it. Picked up my pops. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. We got a special guest. Pops is in town, man. He came in town for holidays. So I'm picking him up. I noticed now on YouTube, man, that the Hellcats and the Scat Pack stuff is really starting to slow down. And I had mentioned to you guys that I wanted to kind of change my channel up a little bit. And start doing more of a podcast type of deal. I'm still gonna do mods to my car and stuff like that, but far as like content with my car, because I'm not able to, you know, do a bunch of crazy stuff like a bunch of racing and, you know, doing a bunch of, you know, burnouts and stuff like that, man. My channel is really slowing down. And I mean, I get it, man. I understand. YouTube is funny. When you first come in, you can have a lot of momentum, and then it'll die down, then it'll pick back up, it'll die down, pick back up, because you gotta always be changing. You gotta, you know, reinvent yourself a lot on YouTube. There's a couple new cats on YouTube, they doing their thing, and y'all should check them out, man. SRT Lynn, Fast Life Nick, all the little young guys, man, doing their thing. And they not necessarily doing anything super crazy. SRT Lynn, he kind of be racing his Hellcat, but it's the way he edit his videos to make his videos real interesting. And so when you got guys like that on YouTube, us old heads, man, we gotta change things up. And me personally, I'm not switching cars and, you know, constantly buying the latest cars. And also Camera Cat, he just bought the new Demon 170. So if you're not doing stuff like that on YouTube, man, it's really hard to stay relevant, basically. So, you know, I got to try to do some things to kind of reinvent my my channel, because for one, ain't a whole lot of people not really interested in no 300C. Initially when it first came out, yeah, and I already told you guys that even with the Hellcats, it's like once you first hit, yeah, people will come to your channel, or, you know, taking a delivery video, people come, blah blah blah. But if you go back later on, usually you'll see that their channel, the views just drop, because that's just the way YouTube is, man. So I gotta find something to keep you guys interested. Like I say, it's a hobby for me. It don't matter. I'ma still upload whatever I want to upload, and whoever rock with me, you rock with me, guys. But I just want to keep you guys entertained, and you know, just try some different things, you know, for myself, because this is fun to me. I like doing it. So I'm gonna do whatever I need to do to try to keep the channel interesting. So I just wanted to throw that out there, guys. Kind of like a quick update. I got some mods and stuff I need to do to my car, and like, it's just a lot of this stuff just starting to show up. So I got a couple of videos that's gonna come out with different stuff I'm doing in my car. I'm really gonna do more to it next spring and summer, but right now, you know, it's starting to rain, it's starting to be cold, so it ain't a whole lot I'm gonna be doing anyway, guys. So so just to keep you guys updated on what's going on with the channel, I know I haven't been uploading like real frequent, just kind of spreading it out, guys, because I've been spending a lot of time with my kids and my family, because that's what's most important to me. So I just want to thank the ones who have been rocking with me, who are watching my channel, subscribe, share my videos. I really appreciate y'all, man. And I hope you guys are having a happy and safe holiday. I'm really enjoying time with my family, man, because that's what it's all about at the end of the day. This Hellcat car stuff, that comes and go. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people will spend too much effort in trying to, you know, get a Hellcat or buy a Scat Pack. I mean, you can always want things, but there's also other things that's very important. That's more important than a car. So y'all have to understand that.